We share something so common, still so wet, and I'm in awe. Never been here before. So high, we're still climbing, even here inside these walls, breaking each other's heart, and we don't care 'cause we're so in too deep. Can't think about giving it up, but I never knew love would feel like a heart attack. It's killing me, I swear I never cried so much, 'cause I never knew love would hurt this fucking bad. The worst pain I ever had. Never knew love would hurt this fucking bad. The worst pain that I ever had. Out of times when I know I should be smiling, seems to be the time that I frown the most. Can't believe that we're still surviving, 'cause I'm slowly breaking down even when I hold you close. And if I lose you, I'm afraid I will lose who I give my love to. That's the reason